If I introduce myself as a space scientist, some people do a bit of a double take. They're surprised that sort of a black female is a space scientist, because we do often have these stereotypical images of what people do. And I like to smash those stereotypes whenever I get the opportunity. When I was growing up, the Barbies didn't look anything like me. So to have one that is actually me was just so exciting. Both my daughter and I were dancing around the living room just at the thought of it. One of my missions in life is to try and encourage girls into STEM, science, technology, engineering and maths. And I want to do this because these subjects are just too important to be left to the guys. Reach for the stars. In my life, I am literally reaching for the stars. All my life, I've wanted to get out there into space, travel to other stars and the planets going around them, exoplanets. But for some kids, that's not what makes their hearts sing. And I say, reach for the stars no matter what your stars are, but have a big, crazy, powerful dream.